Hello friends, my name is Shri and in this video we are going to make slime. First we have slime glue which is blue color and also slime glue clear. Then we have activator which we need. It's okay if you don't have this, but we are using glitter, silver glitter, a spoon and a bowl. So let's take a bowl and take the glue and pour it in. Now we have added our glue in the bowl. So now we take activator. First view. Take a specific amount. I am going to use the spoon so that I don't overload it. And now mix. This is how it will start to look. First take a few drops of activator in your hand and rub them. So now I'll put the spoon aside and you have to take the slime in your hand. Take all of it please. It may be sticky at first, but that's what you have to do to it. You have to stretch it from one hand to another. Like this till it gets a bit unsticky. From one hand to another. So now we have stretched the slime completely. Now it isn't sticky but stretchy. So now is the fun part, glitter. So you just place it down. You could also place it in a bowl and pour the glitter and mix it. Mix it until like all the glitter is also in it. It may start feeling sticky again, but let the glitter mix in it again and it will be better. Look, my clear slime is already starting to unstick from me now and the glitter is also in. So now done. You can also stretch it. Look, it's so clear. And as this is some amount, it may also like stretch for a really long span. There are also many different types of slimes, and in my next video I will show you how to make another type of slime. Bye! Slime tips. 1. Store the slime in the closed container. 2nd, if the slime becomes too dry, put very little water on it. Thanks for watching.